Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about using vinegar to clean wood floors. You can use vinegar to clean all the floors in your house. You can use it to clean linoleum, tile, really any surface in your house. Vinegar is the cure-all, especially for you earth-friendly people like me. Vinegar is non-toxic, it's biodegradable, you can clean anything with it. And hardwood flooring companies, professionals will tell you don't put anything on your floors but vinegar and water. So, all you need, well, first, obviously, you want to sweep the floor or vacuum it, whichever you choose. If you have a lot of pet hair on the floor, I suggest vacuuming. Otherwise, you're just blowing it up into the air, and by the time you put the broom away, the hair's back on the floor. So vacuum if you have pets. Get some vinegar. It's cheap stuff. It's wonderful. Put a splash of it in a bucket of water. And then just mop like you normally would. Vinegar, it's not going to build up the way that other hardwood floor cleaners may. Let's see. If you use hot enough water, the solution that you use to clean your floor, the vinegar and water, will dry really quickly and you won't have to worry about wiping it up. If your water gets cold or if you don't use hot water, you may want to get a rag or a chamois just to dry it a little bit. But really, vinegar and water is the best thing for hardwood floors. It's harmless, it's non-toxic, it's not going to harm your pets and their little paws running across the hardwood. And that's what I recommend. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean hardwood floors with vinegar.